and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Yes, I am barefaced. Yes, my hair is crazy. But I just went to my mailbox and grabbed my Boxy charm. So I know I said I was not going to be filming any more Boxy charm unboxings, but I'm super excited to see what is in this box. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to see what's in the Boxy charm box. I did go ahead and cut the tape. I haven't looked inside. We're going to do that together. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Ooh, it's a little fold-out pamphlet. We're not going to look at that. Okay. Let's see. So the first thing here I have is the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow for Light Hair. Well, I have really dark hair, so I don't think this is going to work for me. So I'm actually going to put this aside for my giveaway I am planning. Next up, we have the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. I'm not even going to open this. I am not a fan of liquid highlighters. So I'm going to put this to the side. It is going to go into my giveaway. Next is the Desi New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Let's take a look at, I just want to see the color. Hopefully I can get this open. Me and packaging. Me and packaging, people. Let's look. Ooh, that'll be a nice color for someone. That is what? High definition lipstick. Does it say what the color is anywhere? It just says a Desi New York high definition liquid lipstick. So this is also going to go into the giveaway. Next in here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This is one thing I am going to keep. This is one thing I was excited about. And I have been really loving Dr. Brandt skincare, so I'm excited to give this a try. And the whole reason I was super excited about this box is the ColourPop palette that was in it. I got the Element of Surprise palette. Let's go ahead and look at this one. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. So really it is just a bunch of neutrals with a pop of pink, but I do think I can get some use out of this palette. I do really kind of like the ColourPop formula for their shadows and things, so I am going to go ahead and keep this one. I'm excited to play. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple of them. There's that one's Peace of Mind, Details. This one is called Sea Stars, and this one here is Blank Canvas. I really kind of like that color, like just what it looks like on my, I'm really bad at swatches, so, but there they are. Get these swatched better. There they are. I do really like that color. So I will definitely probably get some use out of this palette. Well, there you have it. There is my Boxy charm for the month of April. I am going to set these products aside for my giveaway, and I'm still collecting things for my giveaway. So once we hit 800 subscribers, I will be doing that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you again, and bye!